Hey guys, I've been super inconsistent for a very long time. It has been a hell of a year. Actually, it's been a hell of a time. I think everyone is going through it, but I'm here. I've still been planting, and I want to introduce you to this beautiful plant, which is a Hoya Latifolia Sarawak. I love Hoyas, and I never knew that they could get as big as this plant. This plant has leaves that can get 12 to 14 inches long and just as wide, making these some of the largest in the entire Hoya genus. Quick side note, I didn't know that they could get even bigger than that. Even though we like to have our Hoyas kind of trailing, they are climbing plants. And if we give it the proper support, it can reach 10 feet high. That's crazy. The Sarawak is from Borneo in Malaysia, because it's used to those humid tropical forests, and it has succulent-like survival skills. The thick leaves make it more adaptable to storing water. This is an unboxing video, but I just wanted to give you guys some details. I got it from 2 different suppliers, and this is what I got. Hopefully you guys enjoy them as much as I do.
Okay, so I'm not really doing an unboxing, like I don't know what's inside, but I was so surprised at it, I had to put everything back and act like I was doing it again. Welcome back to Gene Loves Plants. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, make sure you tell a friend. Help a brother out. Come on. I need engagement. All right. So I like Hoyas, right? And I'm always looking like for new and different plants, right? So I found actually I'm gonna show you first. I went to Etsy and there's this place called Little Bubble Gardens. It's in Connecticut. They ship really fast. Like I got this in like 3 days. But I opened up the box and the pictures did no justice. I had no idea that this thing was this big. Look at this leaf. I got 2 cuttings. This is a Hoya Sarawak Latifolia. They're called dinner plate Hoyas. This thing is huge. It will plant it nicely, no damage. And I got 2. They let you choose on you another one. So I got one, the one that I just showed you, and I got this one. And they're so big, I guess they didn't have to wrap them like extremely careful, but it came in this nice little box. It's an Air Jordan box. And look at how pretty this plant is. Look at this. This is so pretty. So I'm going to put this in my propagation box. I'm going to propagate these with sphagnum moss. I am going to use rooting hormone, even though I'm a little nervous. But we'll check back in a couple months. And I think we're going to have a really beautiful Hoya. And check out Little Bubble Garden on Etsy. Fast service, beautiful product. I would definitely buy from them. All right, bye guys.
So I splurged. I got 2 different Latifolia Sarawak Hoyas. And the reason being is the first 2 that you saw were cuttings. I am still in the process of propagating them. I'll take you through that process. One is going through cocoa coir, and one I'm using an air layering technique just because it's contained and I want to see what happens. But this beautiful guy right here already came rooted, and look how gorgeous it is. I cannot wait to show you updates on this Hoya. I got it from Inquisitive Greens on Etsy, and I suggest you guys do the same. So this is it, guys. I'm going to try so hard not to have so much space in between videos. But I love you guys. I love making these videos, and I will see you soon, and I will definitely give you updates on my Hoyas. Until then, watch some past videos. Like, subscribe, tell a friend. Again, let's grow this family.